In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a rule in Outlook to move emails. If you want your inbox to stay organized without having to sort messages manually every day, creating a rule is one of the easiest ways to do it. Outlook rules can automatically bub incoming emails based on conditions you choose, which can save time and reduce clutter in your main inbox. To get started, open Outlook and go to your inbox. This is where you'll begin setting up the rule. Make sure you're in the main mail view so you can access the settings related to your email account. Once you're in the inbox, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This opens the settings panel where Outlook gives you access to a range of options for customizing how your mailbox works. From there, find and click on Rules. This section is where Outlook lets you create automated actions for your incoming messages. If you've never used rules before, this area may be empty, and that's completely normal. Next, click Add Rule. This starts the process of creating a new rule from scratch. You'll usually see a form where you can define what kinds of messages the rule should apply to and what Outlook should do when those messages arrive. Now click. Select a condition. This is where you tell Outlook what type of email should trigger the rule. For example, the condition could be based on who the email is from, words in the subject line, or other message details. Choose the condition that best matches the emails you want to move. Taking a moment here to choose the right condition will help make sure the rule works accurately. After that, click. Select an action. This tells Outlook what to do when an email matches the condition you selected. In this case, you'll want to choose the option to move the message. Then select the folder where you want those emails to go. If needed, make sure the destination folder already exists so the rule can place the messages correctly. Once everything looks right, click Save. That will activate your new rule and Outlook will begin applying it to matching emails going forward. And that's it. You've successfully created a rule in Outlook to move emails automatically. This is a simple but powerful way to keep your inbox more organized and make important messages easier to manage. If you're creating multiple rules, it's a good idea to name them clearly so you can update or review them later without confusion.